Hello everyone, welcome to this video on AutoML for data mining. So machine learning is changing the world, but building a good learning model is not easy. It takes a lot of time and requires expert knowledge. This is where automated machine learning or AutoML comes in. It makes machine learning simpler and faster by automating many tasks. In this video, we'll cover what is AutoML and how it works, the most popular AutoML tools, a hands-on coding example of AutoML in action, how AutoML is used in real life, and the future of AutoML. So let's get started. The first is, what is AutoML? AutoML stands for Automated Machine Learning. It helps us build machine learning models without needing deep technical knowledge. Normally, when we create a machine learning model, we have to do many simple steps like data cleaning, fixing missing values and removing errors, feature selection, choosing the right data for training, model selection, testing different algorithms, and then hyperparameter tuning, adjusting settings to improve accuracy. With AutoML, all of these steps are done automatically. For example, if you want to build an image classification model, Google's AutoML Vision can do it for you without writing a single line of code. So now we will see how AutoML works in data mining. Data mining is the process of discovering useful patterns in large datasets. AutoML helps in data mining by following a step-by-step process. So the first step is data preprocessing. Cleans the data and prepares it for training. The second step is model training, where it tries different machine learning models to find the best one. The third step is hyperparameter tuning, adjusting settings to improve accuracy. And the fourth step is evaluation and deployment, where it involves selecting the best model and makes it ready for use. This process saves a lot of time and improves result compared to manual methods. Now we'll see the key AutoML frameworks and tools. There are many tools available for AutoML. Let's take a look at some of the most popular ones. So the first one is Google AutoML, which is a cloud-based, very easy to use, but requires payment. The second one is H2O AutoML, which is an open source AutoML uh, framework, which is great for large datasets and widely used in industries. The third one is Auto-Sklearn, which is good for small to medium datasets and it works well with scikit-learn. The fourth one is TPOT, which uses generic algorithms to find the best model automatically. H2O AutoML is one of the most popular choices because it is free to use and very powerful. So let's now see AutoML in action with a real world example. We will use Titanic dataset, which contains details of passengers who were on the Titanic ship. First, let's take a look at the traditional machine learning approach. Here we manually select features we manually choose a model and adjust parameters. Now let's try H2O AutoML. With just a few lines of code, it does everything for us, cleaning data, selecting the best model, and tuning it for best performance. If we see the performance comparison, here we can clearly see that H2O AutoML gives us a better model in less time with high accuracy. H2O AutoML outperformed other models because it leverages model ensembling and hyperparameter tuning and automated feature processing. AutoML is already being used in many industries, such as e-commerce. Websites like Amazon use AutoML to recommend products to users. Finance, banks to use AutoML to detect fraud detections. In healthcare, doctors use AutoML to predict diseases based on medical records. And in manufacturing, factories use AutoML to predict when machine is when machine will need repairs. As you can see, AutoML has a big impact. AutoML is helping data mining in many ways. The first one is clustering, used in marketing to group customers based on their shopping habits. The second one is association rule mining, which finds pattern in sales data, like people who buy breads also buys butter. The third one is anomaly detection, which detects fraud or unusual patterns in data. And the fourth one is predictive analytics, which helps business make decisions based on past trends. AutoML makes these tasks easier and faster. So AutoML is powerful, but it has some challenges. The challenges are AutoML is not always better than a human experts model. It can be expensive because it requires a lot of computing power. And the third one is some models are difficult to understand and explain, which makes the explainability issues. Now, the future trends of AutoML are explainable AI, the type of AI which will make AutoML models more understandable. AutoML for deep learning, which will help build better neural networks, and Edge AutoML, which will include AutoML to run on small devices like smartphones. AutoML is still growing, and we can expect exciting developments in the coming years. So, coming to the conclusion, AutoML is challenging. Uh, AutoML is challenging, but it is changing machine learning by making it faster, easier, and more accessible. We explored what AutoML is and how it works, the most popular tools we discussed earlier, and we also saw a coding example which compares traditional ML and H2O AutoML. Now, role of its role in data mining is huge, and it will continue to grow in future. Thank you.